Hello, all my dear friends and colleagues. Today we will talk about genesis of changed behavior. What happened to our life? The good life, good studying periods of life, good working periods of life. It turned to be so sad, so lonely. What happened to our dear friends? What happened to our dear brothers and sisters and son, our lovers? The old people who are so adorable, so lovely, they tend to be so sad, so lonely. Sometimes their anger is so strong like a fire. Sometimes they are so lonely like a dark room. Sometimes they mesmerize, and sometimes they feel so sad. My dear friend, what happened to us? The people in our family, in our school, in our workplace, what happened to them? What made them change so strong like this? We will share step by step the way I recover from the long periods of psychiatric disorder for more than 25 years, step by step, through the hope and strong faith that all of you have. And we will see each other clip by clip and spend time together. I would like to hear your comments. You can put it in the below comment section, or you can send it through our group in Facebook named Psychiatric Pulse, or you can directly contact me through line ID KRAISOS, in shortly Cry SOS. And I wish all of you have a very nice day. Make today is your good day. I know maybe there is not every day that is good for you, but there is something good in each day. You should try to find it out. Until we see each other in the next clip. Bye bye. See you.